Go to some universe in the world you just can't seem to find. I've been there, I've done all that. I've rewritten the rules of how to build the attack. Stand up for yourself, call them out when they're whack. Separate the fiction from the facts. I figured out what a person can and can't do. Found the key to open the door to the truth, but in order to go where the wind takes you to bend and flex, reach your potential, gotta have the rock at home. Face of what makes you, gotta know and believe in who you are, what you come do, and what you stand for. And then true emancipation, and you have your foundation. Yeah, come on, solid steel, keeping it real. Foundation. Unbreakable roots, knowing the truth. Foundation. Feet on the ground, seeing the sound. How I started building it now. Spent all my years taking it all in, fighting a lot, but always from within. We all know I never fit in. Just me, got my choice to live. Is how I stayed in it. None of it was when I was on the road. I played the game with my name, no shame and no blame. I had faith and I learned from my mistakes. Yeah, I got my skills and started making music. I try not to overthink and just do it. It is what it is, and it's all good. Yeah, I did what I did. I did what I could. Foundation, solid steel, keeping it real. Foundation, unbreakable roots, knowing the truth. Foundation, feet on the ground, seeing the sound. Foundation, come on, figure out how to start building it now. Foundation, yeah, cement, concrete, feel the heartbeat. Ride the freight train like an effects lane. Passion and pride, burning like fire. Unleash the power, stand up and be counted. Each one of us has the funk of the soul. Each one of us a plan to show your goal. We all link in the chain, all sharing the joy and pain. All purpose, all have a purpose. We all count, stick together, and no one will hurt us. All the races and faces unite. You and I, you alike, use the power to win the fight. We all have someone, or need someone to tell us so we can be someone. We have the gift of life, the power of youth, the love of God, the kiss of truth. So use it, build your foundation. Solid steel, keeping it real. Unbreakable roots, knowing the truth. Feet on the ground, seeing the sound. Figure out how to start building it now. Cement.